Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what are we gonna learn today. Here we have created a lovely adorable mouse. Cute, right? Now let's see, on a circular sheet, you have to paste the two circles together and then make the cap like this, the beak, eyes, and paste them together in this manner and your snowman is ready. Decorate the scenery further by making the snowfall. Now here get this spongy sheet. Now arrange the leaves like this and on the top of it you have to paste it in this manner and your beautiful pineapple is ready. Make the hands and all and then the leg part. This is cool, right? Decorate it further by pasting the dots all over. Here as well you have to get the sheets, arrange them in this pattern. From the middle you need to stick the tape and then arrange the patterns in this manner. You have to just get the sheets beautifully attached like this and then cut it from the top, the bottom part, and from the top as well, and your fish is ready. This is gonna look adorable. Now here again, get the sheet in a conical shape. You have to attach them, all of them together in a layer like this. Let's see what are we gonna make. Here get a stick as well, paste them up in this manner and then you have to make a handle bar like this and your cute umbrella is ready. Now here let's see what scenery are we gonna create. Here you have to get the earbuds and paste them up in this manner. Get a clay, roll them up and paste it in between. This is gonna look pretty cool and then paste the leaves around. Here you have to get the shape of a tie in this way and then get a circular one, the thread attached in this manner on the top. You need to do it like this, paste hearts in between and you have to do it like this. This is gonna look further amazing. Now here what we have to do, you have to get the bubble wrap sheet and then attach them together over a sheet like this and then get the yellow color and color it all over. Here you have to make the leaves like this and your corn is ready. This is gonna look pretty amazing, isn't it? Now here you have to make the MACD here wrapper and then just get the French fries sticks made like this. You have to keep it in between inside the packet like this and this is gonna look pretty cool. Now here what are we up to? You just have to get the sheets, arrange them together in the patterns like this, curl them up and then on the top of it you need to make it look like this. And this is gonna look amazing. You just have to make the sunshines and all and a little crumbs aside. Keep on proceeding. Now get the branches made in this form and then get a green colored sheet. You have to paste the leaves around and make the sceneries in this manner. Now here get a heart shaped pattern and you have to paste the sheets in this manner and arrange them together. Now here over a blank sheet you have to get the beautiful ones, the sheets attached, the cutouts in this manner and then the bubble wrap sheets around. Just color them up in this way to make it look like this. Cool, right? Make the expressions like this and this is gonna look beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much.